welcome back to my channel. I'm Delilah from the Holistic Enchilada. Today I'm going to unbox with you the February Petit Vour box, which I got extremely late, so I know I am at the very end of the month sharing it. But I also wanted to give my review for the January box, and hopefully I'll have the March box sometime next week so I can do a more timely review for you. So most of you who already get this box have already received it because they usually ship out the last week of February. This is the little card that came with it. It just had like a little Happy Valentine's Day little like picture on there. So as far as the products, we got some shampoo and conditioner from Rahua, a deodorant cream from Speak, lip treatment from Kaos, and Vital Boost from Gold Fade and MD. So I'm going to start off with that product. And I love that they include Gold Fade in the boxes very often because this is such a great brand. They make so many amazing products and they're really expensive, so I normally wouldn't buy them, but everything that I've tried from this brand works really well. So this is called Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. It says vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. So it delivers hydration, antioxidant nourishment, and a brightening glow, improves the appearance of skin color and tone while promoting a youthful looking complexion. This is a $20 value. Usually their products are concentrated and you don't need a lot, so this will last a while. So I love their moisturizers, so I can't wait to give this one a try. Okay, then we have the Kaos lip treatment. This is a $17 value. I've tried a couple of products from Kaos. I like them too. Their bronzing potion is my favorite bronzer. So this is the lip treatment. This reminds me of like a little Vaseline. I think it's the Vaseline, right? The ones that you like squeeze out. And it says perfect marriage of a lip balm and lip gloss. One of a kind lip treatment contains an intensely reparative formula that softens, rejuvenates, and gives lips a flatter. Oh, this surprised me. I didn't realize it would be tinted. So let me just like put it on my hand here. I thought it was like a clear treatment. So you can see it there. Actually smells really good. It is like a thin lip gloss. That's interesting. This is a pretty color too. All right, I'm curious now about this. I was expecting something else. It smells like lip smackers. You guys remember lip smackers? That's what this smells like. I wonder what they use for the scent. Okay, next is this deodorant cream from Speak. Deodorant is something that I know a lot of people struggle to find when they switch over to more natural options. This smells good. What is that? It's like lavender mint or something. Not sure. Okay, gentle, effective natural deodorant with a creamy texture that glides on to give you satin soft protection. Arrowroot, kaolin clay, and magnesium protect against odor and excessive sweating. And lavender oil keeps you smelling fresh. So it is baking soda free, it looks like. I'm looking at the ingredients right now. And I cannot use baking soda natural deodorants because they stain my underarms like a brown color after about 3 weeks or so of use. So I use magnesium-based deodorants, which work really well. Like Lone Body is my favorite. So this one seems to be similar. It has magnesium in it, so I'm definitely gonna give this a try and see how it goes. Never heard of this brand before, but I like the label, it's cute. Okay, then the shampoo and conditioner from Rahua. I got the hydration, but I've seen different ones that other people got. So I checked the ingredients of these particular two that I got, and they are both Curly Girl approved. So I'm definitely gonna test them out and use them. These are named for the oil that has beautified the hair of Amazonian women for centuries. Rahua nurtures, strengthens, and fortifies damaged hair. Known for pure ingredients and unparalleled performance, Rahua's products revitalize hair and follicle health. So we'll see about that. I've never tried them before, but I've heard about them. I've been wanting to try them. So that is the February box. It was those 5 products, and the value comes out to $20, $30, $42 plus $17 is $59. So that is a good deal for $18 a month. Now the January box, I absolutely loved. So we had the Fit Glow Beauty mascara, which I have been using every day. I'm using it right now. It is really good. It's really good. I would totally pay what this cost, the $38. I think it's worth it. It's a really great mascara. Let me know what you guys think if you tried it. I'm really happy with it. It gives me volume, it gives you definition, it adds a ton of length, it's everything. It's just the price is crazy. I feel like Honest Beauty is a very, is for $14.99. I feel like that's totally the one that I would go for because, you know, it's $15. It gives me dramatic lashes. This looks a little more natural. Okay, then we had the Aether Beauty eyeshadow single, and I got the color Amethyst, which is this pretty little purple, and I used this a couple of times. I really liked how easily it went on, nice and kind of creamy, and it lasted most of the day. So for a powder, like an eyeshadow powder, it lasted really well, had really good pigmentation. I did do a video showcasing this product. It's the previous one that I uploaded, the Amethyst look. So I know that they have like a full gemstone palette. They have a couple now actually, and their eyeshadows are infused with crystals, so they're really popular, and I love that they are sustainable and low waste, the packaging. So I'm definitely gonna wanna try out more from that brand. Then we had the Andalou Naturals Cleansing Milk. I tried this a couple of times and I didn't like it. It did not remove my makeup at all. Let me know how this worked for you guys if you tried it. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, otherwise, I mean, I love Andalou Naturals. Usually everything works for me, but I put this on and it left my like eye makeup, which comes off so easily, but it was just like everywhere, it was all over. I couldn't get it off. So it didn't work very well for a makeup remover. Maybe if I use it on a day that I don't have a lot of makeup, it would work better, but I didn't like it for everyday use. And then we had the little Absinthe. This is like a balm, and I like this to have in my purse, especially with the way the weather is now. My hands are constantly getting dry, so you know, I'm sitting somewhere and I can just pull it out and rub it onto wherever I need. So I like this. I like the small packaging. That's one of the things that I like about the Petit Vour box. Some people want full-size products, but I never go through all of it, so I like to have little trial sizes to go through, and then I actually use up the whole product. I'm wasting a lot less. I don't know, that's how I feel about it. I prefer the smaller sizes. So yeah, so last month's box was great. Even though I didn't like the Andalou Naturals cleanser, the eyeshadow and the mascara more than made up for, I mean, just those two products alone, I would have been happy with nothing else in the box. Totally worth it. So I'm going to test out this month's products as soon as I can, since I know the next box is gonna come soon, and that video will hopefully be up soon. But I really wanna try out the hair products and the deodorant and let you guys know how those work. If you got this box ready, let me know what your thoughts are on the products as you try them. And if you want to sign up, remember that I have the link down below. You can use the code FIRSTBOX for 25% off of your first box. And if you pay ahead, it comes out to $15 a month instead of $18 a month if you want to save some money. So yeah, that link is down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.